Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to log into your account in Medium platform. So the first thing that you will need to do is to go to the Medium website. So you will need to open your web browser and search for Medium here like that. Just type Medium and click enter. Here you will find the first link. It will be the medium.com. You click on it and it will redirect you to the Medium homepage. So here I'm already connected, so I'm going to sign out, and this is the landing page when you are clicking on the Medium website. So as you can see, there are two buttons here. There is the sign in, so it is the login button, and there is the get started, that means the sign up button. So basically we want to sign into our account, so you click on it, and it depends on which with what tool or option did you sign up the first time. So if you have signed up with Google account, you will need just to click sign in with Google account. If you have already signed up with email, you will just click on email. Depends on the way that you have signed up in the first time. So in my case, I have already signed up with the Google account, so I'm going to click on it and click on my account, and it will automatically log you in. And for example, if you had already signed up with another email, for example, you can just go here to your email, add email at, for example, gmail.com, and you will just continue. And if uh, and click OK, and uh, an email have been sent to you, but this is not my email, so I don't have the link. So basically this is how you can log into your Medium platform or web portal. Thank you for watching and see you next time.